Hello, thank you guys for joining me. Today I'm showing you how to make apple milkshake. It's a very simple drink which you can prepare it in just few minutes. Remember to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, like my video and also share my video with your friends. Keep watching as I show you how to make this simple milkshake. So for the apple milkshake, you're going to need 2 apples, a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And that's all. So what you're going to do is to cut your apples into tiny bits. And then take out the seeds. Right away, I'm going to bring the chopped apples into the blender. Add 1 cup of milk to it. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use brown sugar to blend this into a smooth consistency. It's ready. I will be pouring it into a serving glass. And I would love to slit this apple then place on it before serving this. Here it is, your rich apple milkshake is ready. Thank you friends for watching. That was how to make apple milkshake. I hope you try this out. Let me know what you think about apple milkshake. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye.